I'm gonna go over all of this stuff, so that's fine too. This is if for some of you who didn't understand or just want to learn. Okay, so first of all, even if you already know this, it's good to review. They may look totally different, but all of these actually just be divide. So 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, and 3 divided by 2. And now always remember, you put the divider here, not the quotient. Always remember the pattern and however it's supposed to go. The divider always goes on the left side of this little, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and then the quotient, which is the answer, goes right here on the top. And here goes the dividend, which is whatever the number is, and whatever you're dividing this from. All right. Yeah. Here we go. Division. Okay. Now, I'm starting with a decimal just for the ones who, don't know how to do decimal yet. It's basically the same idea. You just add the decimal at the end. It actually isn't different, but I just wanted to explain to you. And it's good practice. 4 can fit into 3, 0 times. Remember, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And a pattern goes over and over until you finish the whole answer. And remainder, too. You always have to remember remainder. So 4 could fit into 3, 0 times. And obviously, 4 times 0 is 0. And of course, that is 3. Then you bring down the 6. 4 can fit into 36, 9 times. 4 times 9 is 36. Of course, that is 0. Bring down the 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Okay. Now you got the answer, and you know why I don't add the remainder, because there is actually no remainder, and I technically already did it. So you might get confused because, right, I just brought down the 0 here, right? But 0 is 0. That means there would not be a remainder. So don't put in the 0 because 90 is 90. And always remember, decimal point. See? Never forget that. Now, that's something that you might forget, and you always, always want to remember that. And just to remember it, you can even put it at the top in the beginning. Okay, now 90 cents, of course. Then you don't have to put